Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 30th, 2022. No, it's the yesterday's edition, Tuesday, March the 29th, 2022. And I've solved the rest of the puzzles in this page. The 2 stars I've solved. The binary, and now it's time for the tectonic. Tectonic number. This will be number. Let me see which number it will be. 4337. 4337. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So let's get started. First question, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. All right. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. This box has always the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. This one, upside down. This box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Do we have more? No. Only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 1? Yeah. Only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The T shape. We have the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box is always the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has always the same number as this box. Okay, 1 T shape. And the last shape I can see is this kind of shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 4 of them out of 6. 6 is the maximum shapes that you need to recognize. But not in this puzzle. This puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then it's easy for the following step to solve the puzzle. Yes. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Yes. Then it's easy for filling the numbers. Okay. Yeah, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, let me mark those. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and 5. But we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1. This box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are missing. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. The other pair in this area should be for the numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 3. Then. Let me see. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, we have a 2 here. So it can be 2 here. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. Alright. I've marked those two boxes 1 and a 4. But this box is also connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 4. But we already have a 1 here. So it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think, these, wait, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 5. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4. So the other pair should be the 3 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Oh, wait, made a mistake. This is 2 and a 4. Wow. Too fast with the conclusion. Let me go down here. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes. This box with 2 or 4, but now we have a 2 there. So this box should be a 4. Can it be a 2? And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, 1 box left in this area for number 2. And the final number of this area for the number 3. Yes, finished in 12 minutes. Almost made a mistake, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.